That is probably one of the most impressive headstones I have ever seen. It's literally made out of metal.
Hey everyone, it's Angie, and I'm back with another cemetery tour. Today we'll be exploring the last cemetery on my Saskatchewan tour from July of 2023. This is the St. Andrew's Parish Cemetery in Kenaston, Saskatchewan. I stumbled upon this cemetery on the way back from my trip to Saskatchewan. It was just set on the side of the highway, so we just pulled in quickly. As you can tell, it's a very dry year. The grass is practically dead. The headstones are a mix of old and new, and the one that's shaped like the truck with the metal and the stone is just really unique. I'm not sure that I've seen anything like that before. Although I may have and just miss it in different cemeteries. But I really, really liked this one. And you can tell that it was made specifically for that person. Just very unique. This little guy is a 13-lined ground squirrel, and they were running around all over the cemetery. Super cute, although they did leave lots of holes all over the place, which I stumbled in a few of them as I was going through, but really cute. I've never seen these before, and yeah, they were making little squeaky noises and running around the whole cemetery. Thank you for joining me on this cemetery tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, please consider liking and subscribing and commenting below, as I love to hear your thoughts on the video. But until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.